get a pen, get a cup of coffee, and repeat after me, my friend. Let's learn English together. Listen and repeat these 10 sentences with everyday objects. I take a sip from this cup every morning. I take a sip from this cup every morning. I place my food neatly on this plate. I place my food neatly on this plate. I slowly stir my tea with this spoon. I slowly stir my tea with this spoon. I enjoy my meal using this fork. I enjoy my meal using this fork. I carefully cut my food with this knife. I carefully cut my food with this knife. I carry cold water in this bottle daily. I carry cold water in this bottle daily. I gently rest my head on this pillow. I gently rest my head on this pillow. I wrap myself warmly in this blanket. I wrap myself warmly in this blanket. I quietly close the curtain before sleep. I quietly close the curtain before sleep. I neatly arrange my books on this shelf. I neatly arrange my books on this shelf. If this lesson helped you, like the video and subscribe to Your Next English for daily vocabulary and full lessons every week.